Scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. Finding the efficient market outcome on a graph is fast if you know where to look. Let's solve this economics problem together now. Efficiency happens exactly where the supply and demand curves intersect on your graph. Looking closely, that intersection occurs at price P0 and quantity Q0. This is our starting point. Total economic surplus is the entire area between the demand and supply curves up to that equilibrium quantity. We need to sum up every single labeled section within that large triangle. Combining consumer and producer surplus gives areas A, B, C, E, F, and J. Option E is the winner. You nailed it! Well done! Scan the code to learn with Sophie. Avoid rushing, always trust the given graph, and check your steps.